Hi friends. Can you guess what I'm about to do? It kind of looks like I'm about to bake some muffins or something, but I'm not really going to make muffins, no. In fact, do you want to see what's in my muffin cups here? Ready? Yep, I have letters in my muffin cups. I thought we could play a game, and this is something that maybe you could play at your home too. I kind of got the idea for this game when we were doing our morning messages, and Miss Stephanie and I were looking at our message board, and let me think. Do you remember this? That's our little frog. And we've been trying to think about the letters that the words start with by listening to the beginning sound. And the beginning sound of frog, can you hear it? Say f, 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 frog. So the beginning sound is F, and that's what this game is about. So can you help me? All right. I have my alphabet here. Maybe that can kind of help us remember some of the letters. So let me move our muffin tin, and let me show you. All I did was I collected some toys around the house, and I know you could probably do this at your home because I know a lot of you have lots of little toys. I'll just real quick show you them. I'm going to line them up. These items are going to go in my muffin cups. We're going to see about the sound. We're going to listen to the beginning sounds, and we're going to match it with the letter, okay? So let me line them up for you. We have a frog, a little different than the one that we had on our message board, but we have frog, pen, quack quack, he's my duck. I have a ladybug. I have a candle, you see that? And I have a spooky spider. I have, anybody ever make some, it's tea. It's my tea bag. Here is a, Georgia might like this one, that's a bone, a pretend bone. Put that here. Here's a little jar, Here's a very small ring, a little ring. And a little monkey. And a very small little umbrella. So these are some items. And what our game is going to be is to see if we can put them in the right places. Can you help me? So I thought maybe it'd be easiest with us if we look at the cup first, and then we can try to find the item that would go in there. So my first letter is a B. So let's see, am I going to put a jar in the B? B. No. How about And is that going to go in my B? No. What about a bone? Is bone, can you hear the beginning sound of bone? It's a B. So that's how you play the game. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to put my B, or my bone in my with the B. What about the pen? Let's think. Pen. Can you hear the sound? So you're going to put it in with the P, because the beginning sound is P. All right. It might take a little minute. Let's see if I have a letter C. Can we find the item that is going to have the beginning sound as C? It's going to be candle. There you go. So the candle goes in with the C. What about, can you see the letter? L. Ladybug. Let's see. What sound does this letter make? T. Can you find an item that has that same sound? T, 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 t. Is a ring? No. Jar? No. What about, yep, that's an easy one, T. T makes that sound. Let's see. So we could do all of these. Maybe we won't do all of them tonight. It's just something that you can do when you're at home. I was thinking that maybe as a challenge, a couple things, maybe a lot of you want to use the lowercase letters instead of writing the uppercase letters. You could have a grown-up help you, or maybe you could have a grown-up do some uppercase or some lowercase, and that would be a little bit of a challenge. What about another challenge would be, could you think about the word or the item, if you see an item, and can you hear what the ending sound is? Because all words have beginning sounds and ending sounds. That's right. So if you had the word cat, you're going to hear the beginning word, beginning sound is k, k, a C. But what does it end with? T, cat, cat, t. Can you hear that? So that would be another kind of a challenge. That would be a really hard game. You could try to find the ending sounds. If you don't have a muffin tin, you could even use something like an ice cube tray, or even just put them on the ground and just match them up. So that's just an idea. Okay, well, let me know if you played the game. I'd love to see what ideas you might have. You might have some other kind of game or another way to play the game. Let me know. And all right, I will see you another time in our messages.